it's fan driven. You probably think we know what we're doing. To be honest, we don't. But I'll give you a little update on what's going on here in the basement. And so far we got, quite a bit of the framing done. And then we have this massive wall we're gonna put up. Got to put a new door on there. So we have an office down here in the basement. Yeah, it looks a little janky because it is. I think I have most of the supplies ready to go. We got the drywall here. We have our entire workbench moved. But it's a long process, and I'm not a carpenter, but I'm learning. Enjoy this time lapse. Kentucky weather's holding us up. It's always wonderful out here. Look at this. It's pouring rain. Just the lighting so y'all can see. There we go. That's what I gotta put up with. Rain. It always rains. Got the chicken coop right over there. It's a small one. We need to make a bigger one. But nonetheless, at least we have eggs. Since eggs are like $10 a carton now. What's up, guys? So, a little break from our framing video. My buddy's stuck. Can't get in here. This is the shop. You gotta let the light, there you go. This is the shop where I'll be kind of fixing it up also as well. So not in this video. Gotta have money to do all that. But try to get him in here. You're good, keep going. Yeah, so this shop's 40 by 60, but it's a mess. There's tons of stuff everywhere. Trying to get this old girl started right here. Piece of junk. Let's see what we can do. The hood. Let's see what we're working with. Shoo! I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of dark in here. I need to get like a light. But 24 Valve Cummins, son. And we're gonna have to. Let's see. There we go. We'll see if it's too cold to start. Yeah, it's heavy with all the ice on there. Got her all hooked up. Let's see what she does. Here. You heard? Alright, we're going to try it again. Got a different battery, different vehicle. Let's get this old girl started. I found another battery laying around in the shop, and since there's no battery tray here, I just kind of set it up on the coolant line. But she started, so that's all that matters. I'll be able to take my trash out, but I need to fix this truck up so I have some trash truck to drive back and forth to the garbage. Out here in the boonies, we don't have trash pickup, so that's kind of what we have to do. I'll tell you, it is pretty cold here in Kentucky, but we're gonna see if we can get this old girl to move. Heck yeah, hopefully we don't get stuck. It's all muddy and snowy out here. We'll try to send up my driveway. 1,000-foot driveway full of mud and snow, so, and a dually. Easy. That's what I call a success. I appreciate you watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and check out famdriven.com. Like I said, we're going to try to get the giveaway started here soon. But, I mean, I feel like we're in for a good time. So, go ahead and check it out. Eventually, we'll get enough funds to start building the shop down there. And that will be like the Fam Driven headquarters, where we can start building, family related vehicles and shoot that kind of content as well. So stay tuned and follow along. Hit that notification bell if you'd like. I appreciate your time. Thank you.